had these shelves for a while. I was ready to refresh them. They had been stored away for quite a few years. I spray painted them with a matte black spray paint that I got at Walmart for 97 cents. And I did that to use as an undercoat. I didn't worry about them being perfectly covered since I was going to paint them and distress them. I painted them using Waverly chalk paint and plaster. It had very good coverage, so it only took 2 coats. After my paint was dry, I sanded it lightly to remove any paint drips, and then I distressed the edges to let the black shine through. Using my Cricut, I cut out vinyl decals. The first was this cute little coffee heartbeat. I loved it. It suits my husband and me perfectly. And I centered it on the shelf before applying it. With the larger shelf, I cut out the saying, "Life happens, coffee helps." It also says a lot about my husband and me. And I also centered it and applied it to the shelf. I hope to one day have a coffee station, and I thought these shelves would be perfect to go over it. So here is the finished product. We're renting, so I couldn't hang these, but I wanted you to have an idea of how they would hang over a coffee station. I think they turned out so stinking cute. I love them, and I hope you like them too as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell. Until next time, bye.